Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart. We're here to do our weekly rebate haul. I am alone today, but I might not be next week. So definitely stay tuned for that. But there's not a lot going on this week. Shop.with is really low on the offers. And there's offers there. They're just not aligning well with me and my coupons. So that happens sometimes, but you know what? It's totally fine. It really is totally fine. If I don't have a good Weekend Warrior bonus, then we'll just get some offers. If I do, then we'll go after the bonus. But typically what I do is I get here about 8 or 8:30. I look at some of the offers, go over some things, then I go in the store. And then while I'm in the store, I look to see what my bonus is. So I don't know exactly what my bonus is at the second right now, but when we get in the store, we will see. Then yesterday on my Walgreens account, I got a really nice booster. So it's basically, it's spend $10, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So I'm going to go over to Walgreens and see if I can pair that with an Ibotta offer or something like that to see how that's going to go. And hopefully we can add it in with our Walmart haul and it'll be beautiful. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I'd like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in the store. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So we're gonna grab some Revlon. We're gonna grab this color right here. It is called Praline. It rings up for $3.28 on the Walmart app. We have a $3 printable coupon, or $3 from the coupons.com app, which I might use that instead because I just noticed this now. So I'm going to submit it to the coupons.com app instead and not use this. So then we're going to get back another $3 here, and that's going to make this a 2.72 moneymaker. So super easy. Also check your lip clearance, just come to the section and scan. I'm surprised these are on clearance. They're new. They haven't been out very long, but Walmart might just need to make room for a newer product. But like this one is $4.38. We have a $3 coupons.com offer and a $3 rebate on Ibotta. So this would be like a $1.62 moneymaker. And it's not as brown as it looks. It's more of a, yeah, but anyways, definitely, here's a super dark one here for $4.38. So I have already used my offer, so I'm not gonna get it today, but that would be another offer you could do. Well, I was gonna leave this section, but then this caught my eye. So same thing, coupons.com app. You can get back $3, and then you have $3 here, so that's another offer. And this is gonna be a $2.32 moneymaker. Now, back before we had a ton of different apps and options, this is how I saved money. I'd get clearance makeup, use the overage, use the rebate apps. Just Ibotta is all they had. And that's how I saved the most money. So it's still an option. So I'm definitely grabbing this. So I'm gonna do this deal this week on the Febreze. Last week my store didn't have any. So these are priced at $1.97. So the two of them will equal out to $3.94. We'll submit to Ibotta and get $3.30 back. I did scan them just to make sure that it's still working, and it is. So they're going to be 64 cents for both of them, and I think that's a fabulous deal. And I love these little things. Oops, there we go. And I was going to do this, but the offer doesn't attach anymore, so there's that. So I did get my bonus. I have 5 for 15. I don't know if I'll be able to reach that or not. I'm not gonna focus hard on it if I can't. And then we have this right here, this new bonus for $10 for 40 offers. You have until the 30th to complete it. So that's like 20 offers a week. So I don't know if I'll complete that one, but we'll give it a shot. So next we're gonna do the all, because of course. So we're gonna grab some blue all at $3.74. We have $1.50 coupons from the 115 Save Insert. You grab some of those. So then you get back $2 on Ibotta, making this just 24 cents. And I'm gonna grab a couple. So next we're gonna buy an Airwick Essential diffuser thingamabob. The only one they have is this one here, which they've had for a while, which I'm not gonna buy that one. But I'm gonna buy this one for $8.23. We're gonna submit to the coupons.com app for $5.50. We're going to submit back to Ibotta for another $5.50. We're also going to submit to Alexa for another $5.50. It's gonna be an $8.27 moneymaker. Holy cow. I'm definitely grabbing it. Next, we're gonna get the Clorox Disinfecting Mist, and I'm gonna be grabbing this green one, the eucalyptus here, for $5.28 a piece. The two of them equal, oops, there you go. The two of them equal out to $10.56. Then we're gonna use these $2 coupons from the 115 Smart Source. We'll pay $6.56. We'll get back another $4 on Ibotta and $6 on Swag Bucks. That's gonna make these a $3.44 moneymaker. Now, if you buy these and your Swag Bucks offer goes away, give it a day or two, it will be back, I promise you. Unless it's past the expiration date. Because those offers, they're there, they go back and forth, and they're still good for quite a while. So hang on to it. If it still doesn't come back, which it's rare if it's before the expiration date, then just return them. That's the best you can do. So since I have quite a bit of money makers, I mean like quite a bit of money makers, I had a request yesterday for this right here from a teenager. So this is $3.18, but I noticed, oops, that I have $1 back on Ibotta. So I'm gonna get that for $3.18, and this is gonna make it $2.18. There is a bonus with it, but you need to buy 3. And I am not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna get the 1. And that's gonna make a kid happy, and my money makers are gonna pay for it, and I'm getting an offer back. Another thing I'm grabbing that I don't even have a rebate for, but it's something that I love to have every day. The store's out of the regular, so I'm gonna get the organic kind. It's $3.78, and I'm gonna get back $1.50 on Brand Club for this. So that's a good savings, I think. Plus my other money makers are gonna pay for it, so I'll definitely take it. So today we got an offer on the Klondike cones, 100% back, and it's good for 2 of them. So we're grabbing 2. These are so good. These are so good. I wish we had Ibotta rebates for these, because the Ibotta rebates are slim. They are slim today, but we're grabbing these guys, and they're so amazing. So I saw an offer on Saving with Christina's channel. If you get a Pepsi Zero Sugar for $2.18, I'll put it up on the screen where you can text a certain number and you get your money back. So we'll go ahead and do that for sure. So this is a freebie. So this is everything I'm getting. It's not 15 offers. There's just not a lot there, and I really don't want to spend over that, you know, over and above just to get a bonus. So I might be going to Walgreens to show you guys a deal there. So if you don't see me out in the car after this, it's because I wanted to show you a deal there. So this is everything that we're grabbing here at Walmart today. So let's go check out and see how everything went. So we're at Walgreens, and we're going to do the Nivea lotion promotion. That is spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So this is a spend Walgreens cash promotion. We cannot use points or Walgreens cash to pay. So we are going to be picking up 3 Nivea lotions, these Nivea pots right here, for $7.49 a piece. So the 3 of those will equal out to $22.47. We're going to use a 3 off 2 digital coupon, as well as a $2 off printable coupon. Then that'll bring our total down to $17.47. You can pay that with Register Rewards if you would like to help lower your out-of-pocket. You'll pay $17.47. You're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash for the Nivea deal. And then if you have a spend booster like I do, where you spend $10, you get back $10 in Walgreens cash, you'll get an additional $10. Plus, we're going to submit our receipt to the coupons.com app. There is a tracking deal over there where you spend $20, you will get back $6. So I'm also going to submit my receipt over there, and I should get back an additional $6. That'll make all three of these free and an $8.53 moneymaker. So since we have some money makers to use, what we're going to do is we're going to grab some dish soap. I was thinking about grabbing some Bounty, but they were out. So these are $2.99 a piece, and they're buy two, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. There's a 50-cent digital coupon, and then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app or use a printable. That'll make your total $4.98, but then you'll get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making your total $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents a piece, which is a fabulous deal. So that's everything we're going to grab today. Let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and I did go do something at Walgreens, and I will share that with you after I go over all of my Walmart stuff, all the numbers and everything at Walmart. And then I'll give you the total for both of them separately and together. That way, if you're just not into Walgreens or you don't want to base a weekly rebate haul configuring in your Walgreens, then that's totally fine. You know what I mean? And I know not everybody got what I got at Walgreens, so it doesn't apply to a lot of people, but I still want to show you what I got because it's fun. So at the checkout at Walmart, everything went fine. All of my coupons went through. I just had the all coupons and the Clorox coupons, so that was good. And so my total after coupons was $59.81. I got back $28.40 on Ibotta, just regular rebates. I did not get enough rebates to do the full 15 offers and get $5 back. Although if I would have known, my moneymaker would have been what it was, and I would have kept going. I got back $16.41 on Fetch Rewards for those Klondike cones. $6 on Swag Bucks for the Clorox. I'll get back $2.18 for that Pepsi. $1.50 on Brand Club for the Tazo chai tea. I'll get back $11.50 from the coupons.com app. $3 for each one of the Revlons and $5.50 for the Airwick. I'll get back $7.50 on Alexa, $5.50 for the Airwick. And I have no idea if that's right or wrong, but I see tons of people doing it. I don't know if it's connected to anything. And then $2 for some Clorox. So that makes everything free and a $13.68 moneymaker. I did not realize it was going to be that big. So I would have probably finished out my offers if I would have known that. So then I went to Walgreens here because I had that spend 10, get $10 back. And I asked people for suggestions on Instagram. I got some really good suggestions. And then I'm like, oh, I'll do the Olay. There's no $5 Olay coupon. So I could have done that, but I decided to go with the Nivea. So the Nivea, after my coupons, it was $17.47. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash for the Nivea, and then I got back $10 for that booster. And then I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app for $6 back when you spend $20. I never have a problem with getting my money back from coupons.com, the app, when they have those where they're tracking. I've only done it a few times, and I've never had an issue where it is constantly having you add more and more and more. So I don't know. It's like that with Fetch Rewards too. Sometimes it's before coupons, sometimes it's after coupons. making the Nivea an $8.53 moneymaker. So I thought, let's throw in a few things, but I still want to get rewards back. So I got the Palmolive. So the Palmolive was $5.98. I used a 50-cent digital coupon. I used 50 cents on the coupons.com app. And then I got back $3 in Walgreens cash for that, making the two of those $1.98. So it made my stuff at Walgreens free and a $6.55 moneymaker. So my total between the two stores is everything is free and a $20.23 moneymaker. That's crazy. I never would have thought it would have been that big, guys. I never did. I never, ever, ever did. So, yeah. I'm definitely very, very surprised by that. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys. Then yesterday at... All right, guys, we are back in from Rite Aid, I'll go over my I keep saying Rite Aid. So then I got back $20 in Walgreens cash for the Nivea. I got back 10 for spend 20, get, oh my gosh. So for the Nivea, I got back